About to go to the beauty supply store to get a few things that I need, and I just want to I need another wax stick so I could like lay this flat. I need a wig brush because I don't know where all my wig brushes are to brush out my curls. And then lastly, I like to say what I need so that when I go in there I'm not like, you know, spending crazy. I think the last thing that I need, I was thinking about getting like the glue, not the glue, but like the got to be glue gel holding thing. I don't know, I'm gonna see when I get in there, see if it makes sense. And then I think that was it. Oh, I want to get a bottle because I'm gonna make rice water to remember, but I'll probably remember when I get there. But I probably wrote it down on my phone because I'm a Virgo and we write everything down. So whatever, we'll check back when we get there. Just left the beauty supply store. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I feel like I got everything that I said I was gonna get, so I didn't do anything crazy. So I got this because I'm gonna put rice water in it for my daughter's hair. I got this wig brush because I needed a brush.
Oh, you're doing a video right now?
Yeah, but it's alright. I got this spray bottle so I can like use it to do my daughter's hair.
Are they gonna hear me?
Yeah, because it's things all over.
You don't care?
Just stop talking. And then I got this Cantu Flaxseed Smoothing Hair Wax Stick. And then I got this Ebon Wonder Lace Bond. So like I said, this is a glueless wig, but if you want that like flawless look, I think it's probably recommended to just put a little glue at the top. So you see, mind you, I just threw the wig on. I didn't do anything. I didn't put my band on or nothing. But anyway, so I'm gonna put this just around the lace part just to get it really flat. And that's everything that I got. And let's see, what did it cost me? Sorry y'all. Okay, so this came out to $17.37 with tax. Yeah. So yeah, that's my first stop. And then now I have to go home, and I don't even know what I'm doing today, so we're gonna see like where the day takes me. I've been like on this like really like healthy binge, and Zara tank, Zara leggings, Golden Goose sneakers, and a Zara crop denim jacket. So yeah, comfortable but also warm.
up on them. Let them put this cash up on them. You can't understand. Let's go! With the ruler, diamond cooler. Just a rolling down Mueller. Dabbing on them like the usual. Magic with the brick and fool. Courtside with a bad bitch. Then I.
This is a festival safety alert.
Hey y'all, so if you can hear this, it is like pouring down raining. Just left Rolling Loud, day 3, my second day, but the last day of the concert festival. And oh my god, luckily I came prepared. So like before I got there, I had stopped at like a dollar store and got ponchos because I knew it was gonna rain, and I know like they always have ponchos for sale on site, but it's always like super expensive. So the frugality in me was like, we gonna get these ponchos beforehand. So I got ponchos, and it almost felt like a waste. Luckily I kept them in my bag and I didn't like leave them in the car because the weather was like fine. I was like, oh shit, and we may be able to just like get away with not, you know, having any rain. And then 21 Savage was late, so yeah, that like never happened. And then they were like, oh, he might come out with Future. Cool. So Future set was at 8:55. Future comes out at like 9:20, I think. And then it starts to like drizzle. So I'm like, let me put on my poncho. 9:40, 20 minutes in maybe, it's like pouring. It's so bad. Like people was kind of rocking it out. Like, you know, like we want to see Future, we want to see him close the show. So people was like kind of dealing with it. And then the rain got so bad. Like it was like thunder. It was like, no, not really thunder. It was more so lightning. But it was like pouring. It was pouring. And I think eventually people just started feeling like they just gonna leave. I had the poncho, so I was somewhat good, but it was still such hard rain that like my feet, my ankles, they were like getting soaked. So I just told my friend, I'm like, look, y'all wanna like go now? Like I feel like we've seen enough. We've been here since like 5 maybe. It's 9:40 at this point. So we start heading out, and as soon as we turn around to leave, Future makes an announcement. He's like, oh, they said I could do one more song, but we already just like whatever, like we gonna go. And Greens like go off, and they're just like, oh, it's an emergency evacuation, everyone has to leave. So basically it ended the whole festival, everyone had to leave. So but the rain has yet to stop. Like now I'm literally driving home, and it's still pouring. It's crazy to get in my house, get in the shower, get in my bed. Like this is crazy, y'all. Like so crazy. I've never been to a festival or a concert like outside like that. Honestly, it rained in like one year. It rains every summer jam. I went to summer jam one year and it did rain, but I feel like this is a different type of rain. This is that like summer's leaving, fall is here type rain. I don't know, but your summer rain just feels different. This wasn't summer rain. This was like a different rain. This is fall rain. And yeah, so overall though, it was really good. I enjoyed Rolling Loud. So happy that my friend invited me. I would definitely do it again. I do feel like the demo was slightly younger, but I also felt like it was a mixture because it was a lot of artists that I just wasn't like that privy to, and I probably heard of them, but I don't listen to their music. But they also had like artists that I do like, that I do listen to. Like I like Benny the Butcher, I like Pusha T, I like Future, 21, Fat Joe. Oh, Fat Joe brought out Remy Ma, which was cute. So it had a like nostalgic touch to it, but it was still cool. And I'm just ready to go home, y'all. So I'll probably end this here. But yeah, that was my weekend. Bye, guys.